Sacramento, and you can see the Athletics are out there throwing the ball around on the diamond, and we do see those clouds overhead. So let's take a look at what our weather is going to be like. Meteorologist Heather Waldman.
Yeah, and the A's will get that ball game in without any rain, but it is going to be chilly for anybody with tickets to the game tonight. It's already cool right now with temperatures just barely in the lower 60s in the valley. Also starting to see some showers popping up in the corners of our viewing area. Let's take you up to Lake County where a few showers bubbled up just about an hour ago. Light to moderate rain here, and even some hints of just how cool the air is. Some of the summits may be picking up a little bit of wet snow. Nothing that's going to accumulate there in Lake County. We will see accumulation in the Sierra starting late this evening, lasting through Saturday night, even into early Sunday morning. For now, just seeing a few showers there on the east slope of the Sierra, just to the east of Highway 395. Here's a screenshot of what Donner Summit looks like. Yeah, it's dry for the time being, but as we go through tonight in just a few hours, think around midnight or shortly after, light to moderate snow will start to pick up, and temperatures will be in the 20s at that point. So it will certainly be cold enough for that snow to start to stick as soon as it starts falling. Anybody with travel plans early tomorrow morning or really any point in the day on Saturday, have the chains and cables and be ready to go slow. We haven't seen snow in a few weeks, but it's nice to get this little topper on the season here. 6 to 10 inches of snow possible at Donner Summit between Saturday and Sunday morning. Ebbets and Sonora Pass 8 to 12 inches. So again, just kind of refreshing the snowpack a little bit. It's not going to mark a dramatic change in our water supply for this year. As far as rainfall amounts go, these haven't changed all that much over the last couple of days. We're not expecting a ton of rain, and even these numbers here, it's not all going to come at once. For the valley, it's kind of hit and miss showers, and I want to try and help you time this out. So if you have plans in the valley for the next couple of days, just pay close attention here for the next minute or so. We'll start with this evening. Showers, of course, very sparse, just starting to get going. Stockton, Modesto, even parts of Sacramento County. If you're going to be out late tonight, 11, midnight, there could be some showers starting to move in, but it's early Saturday morning. That's when the snow is filled in on the Sierra, and that's where we just see things soggy for the foothills and even the east side of the Sacramento Valley. Morning should be relatively quiet from Sacramento and areas west, but the evening, if you have plans Saturday evening in the valley, have the umbrella, have the rain jacket, and be ready to dress warm too. Temperatures will stay in the low 60s tomorrow afternoon. Sunday morning, a few showers to start. Still looking at light snow in the Sierra, but things wind down quickly. The valley's dry by noon, probably earlier. The Sierra, not dry until about 3 or 4 o'clock. So travel in the Sierra, slow during the day tomorrow, especially getting into Truckee and Tahoe if you're headed over to Reno. Yeah, the summits are going to be some slow going, but Pollock Pines and Arnold, it's rain, but temperatures are going to be stuck in the 40s. Also a very chilly day for the foothills, upper 40s in Placerville, barely the low 50s for Auburn and Jackson. Rain isn't going to be heavy, but it's going to be pretty persistent. Those low clouds are going to hang around too. Showers will be pretty few and far between most of the day from Napa to San Jose, but as we get into the evening, those showers become a little bit more numerous. Same idea for the San Joaquin Valley. Morning relatively quiet with showers, maybe even a thunderstorm picking up into the afternoon. Thunderstorms less likely as you go farther north. That's only because the rain may be a little bit steadier in the morning in places like Yuba City and Woodland. So that's kind of what we mean when we say hit and miss. It's not going to be an all-day rain for the valley. Just kind of unsettled, and you kind of need to be ready for anything. So anybody with events, hopefully you got the tents, the heaters. It's that kind of weekend, but much warmer next week, as you just saw.
And 2 more A's games Saturday and Sunday at 1:05. So let's see. They may be okay tonight.
Yeah, they won't be rained out, but it is going to be cool.
Yeah, so if you're going, bundle up. Thank you, Heather.
All right, the man